Hello, and welcome to my video. Hey guys, what's up? So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sneeze. There's actually only one way I know of, but I looked it up and I found another way, so we're going to try both of these ways. The first way to make yourself sneeze, black pepper. You just put a bunch in the air around you like a cloud and just inhale, you will sneeze. Hopefully. The other way we have is the toilet tissue way. So hopefully one of these things will start the sneezing process. First up, black pepper. Oh, it's burning! Ow! Number two! Just roll it up. Just roll it up like this. From what I've seen. Not a really good roller, it looks like, but it's too big. Oh no, we're still gonna go with it. Ow! Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe. Now let me know what you thought about the video. And if you're trying to make yourself sneeze, let me know.